Happy Memorial Mad Dog Monday, everyone. That's right. Honor your veterans. Mad Dog. It's a glorious day here. Perfect, beautiful weather. That's gonna serve as my tripod, this cone. How y'all doing? I'm doing fine myself. Thanks for asking. This thing sucks for a tripod, but what can you do? You know, it's Mad Dog Monday. First Mad Dog Monday in a few months, I'd say. Fucking delicious. Not really, but I didn't plan ahead for today. I didn't go to the liquor store yesterday. I'm not sure if it's like this everywhere, but in Massachusetts, can't fucking buy booze on Memorial Day. All closed. So I got the MD, bringing back Mad Dog Monday. For this week anyway. Nice day, fucking gorgeous. Gorgeous sky. Gorgeous. Went for a run today. Mowed the lawn you just saw. Now I'm about to eat some fucking burgers, some potato salad, like an American would do. Drink a Mad Dog like an American would do. Just drink whatever you want, of course. The only booze I have all night. Just this MD here. Just this lone MD. That's alright. That's okay. Fucking shout out to Really Big D. Killing 2 of these in 5 minutes. Commented on the video. I had to I'm gonna have to decline the challenge because that would kill me trying to do that. I can't imagine how shitty I would feel. I think my stomach would literally just fall out of my ass if I tried doing something like that, man. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to say no to that one. I think I'm pretty much done with Mad Dog challenges. The 419 one was the last one I'm gonna even attempt to do as far as anything to do with Mad Dog goes. I'm still gonna drink Mad Dogs, obviously, but just no fucking challenges. I'm just gonna fucking drink them at my own rate, yo. Oh yeah, America. Burgers and hot dogs and potato salad and potato chips and oh yeah, good shit. Good shit. Mad Dog, get a wine, drink what you want. Shout out to CM6003. Fucking saw your new videos today. I didn't watch all of it yet. I'm going to watch all of it. The Colt 45 one. Thanks for sort of shouting me out with the fucking King Cobras I did a while ago over there. The 800 club attempt, which I failed. My first 800 club attempt. got much closer on my second video they uploaded, but I will do it. That's pretty much actually the only challenge I'm really trying to do. Like, I'm just focusing on just the 800 club because I really want to get that shit going and get down, because I can do it. I just need to will myself into it, which, you know, I will absolutely do. Apologize for that fucking half-hour long video I uploaded last night. I mean, unless you like half-hour long videos. But I always hate ending videos. Whenever I finish whatever it is I'm drinking and I have to end the video, I'm sad. So I'm like, man, last night when I made that video, I just wanted to keep the video going, but I couldn't just sit there and look like an idiot. I had to keep drinking. Shout out to Citizen Shades. I never see him anymore, but he was a nice guy. Leave me all that stuff last night, the 40 and the music all lined up. Hell of a guy, Citizen Shades. Shout outs to Filler Snatch, Clown Shoes 89. Clown Shoes is a band I played in my video last night. They're called Of Monsters and Men. Check them out if you haven't heard of them already. They're fucking good. I think you'd like them. Notice the H-Strong44. Saw your video. Haven't watched it yet, but I saw the thumbnail of it. I'm going to watch it. Same thing as CM 2003. Speaking of CM, shout out to CM Drunk 11. I really wish I had a 40. I feel like this is a 2-video kind of night, but I can't do it because I don't have anything else other than this. It's vodka, but it's all my fiance's vodka, and it's all flavored bullshit that tastes like garbage. Cookie dough vodka and absolute, you know, shitberg. Shout out to Airlay Lico. Watched a few of your vids lately. Good fucking shit, man. I like that mountaintop shit. It's awesome. I'm gonna do a mountaintop video when I go to New Hampshire in a month. Up on top of a gun stock. Malt liquor. Sun's getting low in the sky here. Down low. What we got here? Time. When you only look at the sun and then you can't see anything else. 9/11. Good time to look at the camera. Mad Dog. So everyone, enjoy your fucking Memorial Day. Honor your veterans. If you know a veteran, thank them if you get a chance to. And enjoy yourself. That's what it's all about. Enjoy yourself.